If you would like to see how I made this, please watch the video from start to finish. My channel is Temitalkz here. If you're new, you're very welcome to the channel. Please click the notification button and remember to click subscribe. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I've got a cheesy style wrap and it is inspired by all things Lolli. I'm going to put her channel description link in the description box, so make sure you read that, and some information about the video will be there. Also, I asked you guys to comment your favorite Bible scripture. There's always a Bible verse in the title, is a different verse all the time, so make sure you check that out. Don't be afraid to put your favorite verse or scripture in the comments. Have a chat with people, have a conversation, share the gospel. It's really important to always include God in everything that you do. Before my phone died is that you can find me on social media, on my daily food blog, and you can find me on Snapchat. I'll put it somewhere on the screen here, and I post videos on Wednesday and Friday. So let's get right into the video. So here I have some sliced chicken breast and some sliced peppers and onions. So here you want to spray some fry light into the pan, and you want to add your chicken cutlets into it. I'm using blue gloves, so read the next slide. So here I'm adding in my chicken breast to the pan, the heated pan, and I've heated the pan on medium heat. So here I'm just turning the chicken, allowing it to cook evenly on both sides before I add in the seasonings. So here I'm adding in my seasonings, which are pimento, pink salt, adobo seasoning, and oregano. You can add whatever you like. I also added in a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning. Here I'm mixing it and allowing it to combine well, allowing the seasonings to get into the chicken. At this point I'm removing the chicken from the pan, cleaning the pan and getting it ready for the next part. So here you want to spray your pan with fry light, keep it on the medium heat, and you want to add your peppers and onions to the pan and allow them to cook. If you want to add some seasonings you can, if you don't want to you don't have to. mixing the peppers and the onions, allowing them to saute in the pan, cooking them, but not allowing them to get soggy. We still want to have that crunch. Here I'm adding some oregano. This part is optional. It's now finished. This is what it should look like. You want to empty the pan, and then you want to spray the clean pan and place the wrap on top. Add a slice of cheese, add the chicken, add the peppers, and you want to fold it in half and repeat this process. Make sure you watch All Things Lolli's video. She is the one who came up with the video. I just decided to recreate it and make my own version, try it out. She did add cheese on top of the peppers, as well as 2 slices of cheese, but I've only added 1 and I haven't added any cheese on top, just my preference. So yeah, make sure you check out her video. And she layered them on top of each other, but I decided to just fold it in half. So yeah. Your cheesy fajitas are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm out. Did you notice the Bible verse in the title? If you did, leave a comment on what you think it means to you. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk Jesus, let's talk gospel.